to Lawyer Flash. I'm your host, Jon Deer, and I explain the law. This week, guns, guns, guns. America loves guns. Yet, it's getting more complicated than ever to pack heat in public. So that you, my loyal fans, are not left out of this latest craze, we're going to cover America's most extreme gun laws, both those favoring gun ownership and those restricting gun ownership. Here they are now. The whole country recently went to Twitter when Georgia passed its guns everywhere law, allowing guns in churches, schools, restaurants, bars, and any public space. The governor decried that it was a law protecting the most sacred of rights. The law was opposed by churches, schools, police associations, and a majority of Georgia residents. Last year, South Dakota became the first state to allow K through 12 teachers to bring handguns to school. Be careful when you mouth off to your phys ed teacher. On the other side of the spectrum, a bill introduced in Florida last year would have required anyone purchasing ammunition to take 2 hours of anger management training. Not to be left too far behind Georgia, South Carolina recently passed a law allowing patrons to carry concealed weapons in bars as long as the gun toters are also teetotalers. On the other side of the table, a bill was recently introduced in Connecticut that would make it a felony to carry any weapon that can discharge more than a single round of ammunition. A bill in Colorado would require business owners to allow permitted concealed weapons on the premises unless the business hires armed security. Both liberals and conservatives got upset over a Washington bill that would require police to inspect homes annually to ensure guns are stored safely. Needless to say, that bill went nowhere. Missouri went so far as to introduce a bill making it a crime for other legislatures to introduce bills seeking to restrict gun owners' rights. A number of states, including Montana and Wyoming, have passed laws making it a crime for federal agents to enforce federal gun law on personal firearms within the state. That means the state can arrest an FBI agent for enforcing federal law. And finally, a number of jurisdictions are considering laws that make gun ownership mandatory for everyone, thus leveling the playing field. That's our straight shootin', rootin', tootin' episode. You can find us here each week at lawyerflash.net or youtube.com/lawyerflash. Also be sure and like and share our Facebook page and mostly subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm your host, Jon Deer. We'll see you next time on Lawyer Flash. Be sure and check out these other exciting Lawyer Flash episodes.